Hey guys, George here. So, you want to know how to have that perfect day, that perfect life, and not have to worry about money, not be all stressed out? Well, here's what you need to do. The first thing is, get a sheet of paper, all right? Stop whatever you're doing, pause this if you have to, go get yourself a sheet of paper. The next thing you want to do, and I'm going to put some instructions here for you, they'll be written so you can print it out later, whatever you want to do. But the second thing you need to do, after that sheet of paper, get something to write with. And you're going to write in your own handwriting, okay? That's important. You're going to start out like this. My perfect day starts out as, then you're going to fill in the blank. Now for me, my perfect day starts out getting up early before the rest of the household, having some couple of hot cups of coffee, surfing the internet. And then after that, I like to cook. I want to make some breakfast. I surf the internet for a little while. I like to go mountain bike riding. I also sometimes like to shoot guns. I have a garden out in the back. I like to do the garden. I like to make videos. I like to work on the computer a little bit. So these are things that are part of my perfect day. I also like watching YouTube videos. And I like travel, scuba, all these kind of things. But during your perfect day, write down what it would actually be like and put in what it would feel like. Like when I make my cup of coffee in the morning, I can smell the aroma. And I told you it was hot. I can smell it. I can see the steam coming off of it. Those are all part of your senses. You've got 5 senses. You've got your sight, smell, hearing, you have touch, and sight, if I didn't say that already. There's 5. Yeah, I'm driving. I'm going mountain biking right now, so I'm kind of dressed in this fluorescent yellow deal here. So anyways, incorporate your senses. Taste, that's the one, okay? My coffee's got that taste. I like a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cream. And then when I go mountain bike riding, okay, I love to feel my heart pounding and my heavy breathing. Those are the kind of things that excite me, all right? That is step 1, is what is your perfect day, okay? Start there first. Then, after that, we're going to get to step 2, and that's coming real soon. Probably going to need to click on the link down below in order to get that. So, see you guys on the next one.